absolutely rammed with all sorts of amazing technology. Of course, this is going to be hugely capable and, of course, able to talk to multiple other platforms as well through data. That no cloud is breaking away, enabling to really NATO hardpoints under there, able to carry ASRAMs, AMRAMs, and other 27mm can carry as well. Each pilot comes along with just a little tweak, and of course, this one being the first entry from behind and above the crowd. Nothing you can do to press negatively. Lots of assistance on board, not just his own physical conditioning, but of course the suits that they wear in the typhoon to help keep the blood where it should be. Nathan sort of grew up on the Tornado fleet, predominantly going to be based at Marlin with the Gold Stars 31 Squadron. Moved on to 29 Squadron. He's spent a busy frontline tours as well, so we're seeing deployments to the Balkans, Estonia, Romania, and Libya. And return to flying instructional duties. Typhoon display, of course, have regular daytime duties as well. Little high-speed level pass in. Simply to stop your ears and your windscreens being shattered. Slowing the jet down, and this is what's so extraordinary. Aircraft capable of 1,500 miles, coming back to about 120, 130 knots now. Because the stick back towards this high alpha, we call this, where the angle of attack at the leading edge is actually raised steeply against against the airflow over it, but still nonetheless the aircraft in very stable flight indeed. And the little canards on the front twitching away there, aided of course keeping him in stable flight. So he cannot actually create departure from this particular maneuver. Almost looking like the Cobra that we've seen on some of the Russian aircraft. Activity goes on in 365 days a year. That is a wrap, and that is the way to leave it.